So Troy, within this residential garage space, we've got a little bit of cracking going on here.
It's, people are always concerned about cracks in concrete. It's very natural.
Right. So it's a problem in concrete. Luckily with this floor, not too bad of one, right?
Nope, not bad here.
Maybe some hairlines here and there, right? So we still need to address those and as a problem that we need to make better.
Correct. Yeah, you're going to see it. If you don't do anything about it now, you will see it in the end.
Right. So what do we do?
So we'll use our epoxy patch material and we'll fill the cracks and basically sand them back down, make them look nice so that the texture is flat, and when you do your top coat, you won't see the cracks.
Okay, terrific. And then we can just go right over those with our epoxy material?
Right over the top of them.
Okay.
Now, we do have control joints here, and that's always an issue.
Right. So what do we do there?
So some people will go, oh, I want to fill these in because I want to be able to just hose out my garage. I don't want any seams in the floor.
Yeah.
We're going to tell you to honor those control joints. Those control joints are there for a reason. The concrete is going to move a little bit, and what's at the bottom of those control joints generally is a crack. So we're going to tell you, just honor them, leave them. You'll see in this installation that we're going to leave them, and it's going to look really nice. If you go and fill those with the epoxy patch, it's probably going to look nice when you put it down, but you stand a good chance of that epoxy patch popping out, and now you've got this big gap. Worse yet, sometimes it'll tear some of the concrete out with it, and it looks even uglier than when you started. So we're going to say honor those control joints.
As a best practice, honor the control joints.
Every time.
Very good. For more information, visit the PERMAGUARD website.